Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the linear regression indicator. Okay, the linear regression indicator. Now, if you do not have this indicator in your MetaTrader platform, then you will need to download it. Okay, you will need to download it from a reputable external source, and after doing that you will have to add the indicator file to your indicators library, and after doing that you have to relaunch your MetaTrader terminal before you can proceed to add the indicator to your chart. So I have already done all those, and I'm just going to be adding the indicator to the chart right now. So this is the linear regression indicator. Okay, so basically this is an indicator that can help you to identify the direction of a trend. All right, in as much as the indicator somehow looks like a moving average, unlike traditional moving averages that often lag behind price action, the linear regression indicator plots a highly sensitive moving average line that reacts swiftly to shifts in price movement. Okay, now this indicator uses some advanced calculations which may not be necessary to go into the details, but the indicator provides traders with better trend momentum readings. All right, and it helps you to enhance your identification of entry and exit points. Basically, its adaptability to changing price trends makes it an essential tool for forex scalpers, right? But even as a swing trader, you can still be able to make use of this indicator. But if you are a scalper, you might be able to make the most out of it. All right, now how does this indicator give its signals? Just similar to the traditional moving averages. When you have price cut below the linear regression indicator, you have a sell signal, and when you have price cut above it, you have a buy signal. But one of the reasons why this indicator is mostly beneficial for scalpers, in as much as swing traders can also make use of it, is that owing to how sensitive, right, how sensitive this indicator is, how it quickly reacts to changes in price movement, it's a scalper who is looking to grab every single market move that will enjoy the indicator most. All right, but in addition to the fact that the indicator gives a signal when price cuts above it or below it, that is not all there is. Okay, if you look closely, you will see that the indicator changes color. When it is a green color, it shows bullish trend. When it is red color, it shows a bearish trend. So in as much as when the price cuts below it, it indicates a sell move. For example, in this case, the color was still green, but the price cut below it, showing a sell move. So we actually had a sell signal here. All right, we had a sell signal here, in as much as the color of the line was still green. But that green color showed that there was still bullish momentum, just that we had a pullback. All right, eventually the color changed to red around here. After changing to red, shortly afterward, we had an impulsive move in the direction of the trend. So the trend color can tell you if the momentum has changed, right? But it is not sufficient enough. Make sure you get confirmations. For example, in this case, the color changed to red around here, and we actually had a pullback, right? We had a sell move to this support zone, right? We had a sell move. We had a sell move to this support zone, but it is possible that the bullish move will continue. As you can see, it's already continuing, right? But when you have the line color changes to red, it shows an increase in bearish momentum. All right, but as always, like always, get confirmations first. This is a bullish trend. All right, this is a bullish trend. So before you start looking for sell opportunities continuously, make sure you have confirmed that a bearish reversal has occurred. As at now, this bearish move is not yet confirmed because this is still a bullish structure. As you can see, this is still a bullish structure. All right, this is still a bullish structure. So in as much as we had a breakout here, it is possible that a bearish structure is starting. All right, it is actually possible, right, that a bearish structure is starting, but it is not confirmed yet. Before we get a confirmation, at least we should have price respect this trend line. If price respects this trend line and we have a downward move, then we can start looking for sell opportunities. In that case, this red line from the linear regression indicator will likely continue, just like how this green line continued for long, owing to the fact that this bullish trend was quite strong. If we have a bearish reversal, then we'll likely see this red line continue and you'll see the price trading below the red line. Okay, in as much as sometimes you might see the line move in between the candlesticks, as in this case. But while the line is moving in between the candlesticks, it still shows that there is bullish momentum and this trend is bullish because the color remains green. But a scalper might still be taking advantage of the price moves above and below the indicator. All right, but if you are a swing trader, just focus more on the coloring and the structure, right? The bullish structure and the bearish structure. Always get your confirmations right. If you are a swing trader and even a scalper, get your confirmations right as well. It's very important. Okay, so basically that is how to use the indicator. All right, watch out for price moving above the indicator and dropping below the indicator, and watch out for the color codes, the green color and the red color, and make sure you pay attention to chart patterns and candlestick patterns. Okay, watch out for candlestick patterns before you enter any trade. Make sure you get your confirmation right. Okay, because no strategy guarantees profit, no indicator guarantees profit. So do your due diligence, right? Do what you need to do in order to minimize your losses. Okay, so that is it for the linear regression indicator. Okay, when it comes to confirmation with other indicators, I'm going to recommend using momentum indicators. All right, I'm going to recommend using momentum indicators. You can try out the stochastic oscillator or the MACD or the RSI or any other indicator of your choice, actually, but I recommend a momentum indicator to confirm your signals. Okay, so when you want to confirm, for example, if you wanted to take advantage of this sell move, right, you want to take advantage as the price dropped below the linear regression indicator, the stochastic oscillator confirmed the sell. Okay, so you would have taken advantage of that and sold somewhere around here and exited at the support level. That would have cost you over 1700 pips. That's quite a big catch. Okay, or you would have waited for uh the oscillator to enter the oversold territory and begin to point upward, and you exit your sell. Okay, so make sure you get confirmations, basically. Right, it's very important. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video really insightful, and I hope to see you in the next video.